What's up, DCV fam? We got Junior on the Mustang. Y'all check it out. We're getting the EcoBoost Cobra ready for paint. Don't have a lot of video for the beginning, but starting it right now in the paint process. Still got to put the front end on it. I got a bunch of pictures before and after, but this is the EcoBoost. Putting Shelby, y'all call these things on these Mustangs? Shelby kit?
Yeah,
Shelby. Right now we sanding it down, about to get it in the booth, get this thing ready for paint.
The chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I loan the crush, obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.
All right, we finally got this turd in the booth. I mean, this Mustang in the booth, and my son done bailed on it. So I'm in here 1D, put some silver on it, and about to get started painting on this thing. So I'm gonna set this camera up where y'all can see me, and we're gonna get the party started in here. Y'all can see me? Y'all good? Y'all good? All we did on that first coat, just a little base on it. We'll let that sit for a second. Check out two bumpers, the back bumper and the front bumper. Y'all don't be making fun of me either. I ain't painted a car in about, I think it's been 6 years, 5-6 years. I picked up a paint gun. Told my son I was gonna spray his car for him. So about to make it happen. Gotta do it. Big rooster all cleaned up. Ooh. I ain't got no armor on the tires. Rooster on, bling bling. Yep, we're gonna get this car painted tonight. I ain't knocked out. So we get this boy in college. Let's check this thing out. This is going in my metal pile right here. It used to be a Ford Focus. They got chopped up. So pretty much what we doing on this car, it's a 2016 Mustang, whatever y'all call them thing. Told my son, I said, hey look, you handle your business in school, buy your Mustang. I can't even say that word. But so I got him a Mustang, and he liked the way the Shelby's look. So we're putting the Shelby kit on it, front bumper, rear diffuser. Man, we're going all out on this thing. So it's gonna be the world's first EcoBoost Shelby. I think the car gonna look pretty cool because I'm doing it. You know, I got a Camaro, you know, if I was him, but hey, that's what he wanted. But we're gonna make it look clean. It's gonna look good. He gonna love it. I think y'all gonna love it too. He done did majority of the body work on it. He done took it apart. We got a bunch of pictures. I'm gonna post pictures because I didn't video. I was too busy. So got my hands all full of paint, man. Tripping. But we got a bunch of pictures we gonna put up, kind of show y'all some before and after pictures, and you know, and then we gonna put this turd, this Mustang back together, and get him on the road. Let me get back in this paint booth, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all. What's up, DCV fam? Don't have a lot of video of it because we just been so busy trying to get this car together and get him in college. But give y'all a little video of it, let y'all check it out. We're in the middle of putting the stripes on it. Got the little Cobra. Car come out good though. Oh, hold up. We got a real snake over here. Hold up, man. We got a real Shelby over here too. Man, check this thing out. Man, I wonder who this car belongs to. And we got my little brother ride over here. He just put some, he just threw some, what do you got on this thing? Some 18s on it. See, everybody riding clean around here. We finishing up Project Garden Snake. That's my son's 2016 EcoBoost Mustang. Got a couple of knick-knack things we doing on it today, but I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on. gorgeous outside. So we got the car all back together, got it painted. Getting it, bro? What you doing, Devin?
Man.
Well, going to what no man has boldly gone before.
Okay, so I'm trying to break this boat with this right here.
What? Can you get an extender on it?
Nah, it's between the frame.
Oh, okay. So you really need to pull the motor out.
I know, I'm thinking about if I raise it up, if I get more clearance.
So Devin is changing the motor mount today. Man. So what boat you trying to get off? This one?
Nah, these. This one, the whole bracket sits on the side of the block right here, like this.
Oh, okay.
I unbolted this, so when I'm gonna raise it up, I'm gonna unbolt these, and I'm gonna pull it out, and then I do the top.
Okay. All right. We got the garden snake on jack stands right now. Pulled the wheels off. Had a couple of little roll rash on the wheels, so we're gonna clean them up, respray them, and then we're gonna paint the calipers white. Gonna paint the mirror caps black. Check this thing out, man. This thing is loaded out for an EcoBoost. This thing roll out. I ain't gonna lie, it roll out. Golden State Warriors, Pride Day, Mardi Gras, got all kind of colors there, man. Like I was saying, we're gonna paint the calipers white and respray the wheels gloss black, like I said, and do the mirror cap. And other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. What's up?
Chance to print stickers. They are Rembrandt, so.
Yeah, so pretty much like I was saying, what we did was we just ordered the aftermarket, you can say GT350 Shelby front bumper, the kit we got on online. Pretty nice little kit. Everything fits good. Got the little emblem, put the stripe kit on it. It even came with the rear bumper diffuser and tailpipe. Yeah, car came out good. We'll jump on these wheels and see calipers, get this party started. Got them all ready to go. All right, what we need to do, get them all leaned up right here on the wall, and then we're gonna blow them off real good so they can dry. And then see these mirror caps. We got to sand these mirror caps a little better.
No, he said that the bug stuff on there is fine.
Okay.
He said that with the clear and the paint, you know.
Okay. All right.
There you go.
All right, so after you dry them off, get you some pre-cleaner and pre-clean them real good, and then we're gonna get the calipers ready. All right. So we got the wheels all prepped, about to tape them up, about to put some paint on these things, Keith. We're gonna be here all night, but we're gonna get it done. I ain't sticking. Let me see, give me that piece of tape. Yeah, you didn't clean it good enough. All that. Sometimes you gotta let the OG come in here and, you know, show them how it's done, Keith. Stick to the tire, and just keep it like I'm doing. Put some Vaseline on the tire. It's so funny. My boy's over there making all kind of sounds and groans and learning, Junior.
Yeah, it's looking real nice, man. You keep going.
All right, we got the calipers almost ready to go. How you coming, Slim? You getting it? Looks like you done did this before, man. All right, we got all the wheels taped up. So pretty much what we did was just tape up the rim, tuck that tape behind that, in between that rim and tire. And we put Vaseline all on the tire. So any overspray that gets on the Vaseline, it'll wash right off with the water hose. And Junior got the calipers ready to go. So about to mix this paint, so we'll get this party started. You're watching the garden snake?
Yeah.
Got the wheels on, mirrors, caps. I want to see this thing outside once it get dried off completely. Well, the garden snake is 100% done. Got it all cleaned up, and now it's car show ready. So we're gonna get it ready for this car show we got coming up. But I'm gonna have I got full videos of us putting this thing together. Wish I could have got more videos, but hey, it was a lot of work. Appreciate y'all checking it out. Make sure y'all subscribe for our next build. We got something else we doing. Hopefully I can post it next week. About to go get my haircut. So y'all have a good weekend, and I'll holler at y'all later.
We must pay homage to